Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your toes by using gravity. All it is you bend your knees and you place your foot behind your other foot and then use gravity by dropping your foot. Let me show you how it's done. Bend your knees, then drop. Please consult your physical therapist, chiropractor, or doctor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.